In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp. Being able to quickly see everything that's already been finished is really helpful, whether you're tracking your own productivity or reviewing what your team has accomplished. In ClickUp, this is very easy to do once you know where to look. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by going to your list view in ClickUp. Make sure you're in the correct space, folder, or list where your tasks are stored. The list view is the layout that shows your tasks in a simple table-like format, with columns such as task name, status, assignee, and due date. If you don't see the list view right away, look at the top of your screen for the view tabs and select List. This is important because the option we're going to use to see completed tasks appears in this specific view. Once you're in the list view, look towards the top of the task list, just above your tasks. There, you should see several options and filters. You'll notice items like filter and assignee. Between these options, you'll see a label called closed. This is the key control for displaying tasks that have already been completed or closed. Click on closed. As soon as you do this, ClickUp will reveal all tasks in that list that are in a closed or completed status. If you had previously hidden completed tasks to keep your view clean, this is how you bring them back into view. You should now see both open and completed tasks, or in some setups, primarily the closed ones, depending on how your view is configured. If your list is long, you can combine this with other filters, such as filtering by assignee or date, to narrow down which completed tasks you're looking at. For example, you might filter by a specific team member to review only their completed work, or by a certain time period to see what was finished this week. And that's all you need to do. By going to your list view and clicking on the closed option between filter and assignee, you can quickly view all completed tasks in ClickUp